Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna teach you how you can change your Facebook profile without posting. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to change your Facebook profile without posting, of course, the first step is to open your Facebook app. After you've opened your Facebook, what I want you to do next is to go and tap your profile. And after that, you will be directed to your Facebook profile. So once you're on your Facebook profile, the next thing you gotta do is to upload a new profile picture. So to do that, tap this. And then tap Choose Profile Picture. Then right here, just select the photo that you want to set as your profile picture. And after that, in order to change your profile picture without posting it, all you need to do is simple. You just need to uncheck this. And once you've unchecked it, you can now tap Save to change your profile without posting. Then just wait for it to be processed. And there you go, we have changed our Facebook profile. And if we take a look at our newsfeed, as you can see, the profile change was not posted. Because if the profile picture was posted, this will appear in our profile newsfeed, but as you can see, it didn't appear, so that means we have changed our profile without posting. And so that's just how you do it, guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also you can comment down below if you have some questions or if you have a problem that you want me to make tutorial about. So that's all, guys. See you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.